Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I am going to share a tandoori chicken karahi recipe. It's a very easy and quick recipe. Chicken marination preparation. Yogurt 3 tablespoons. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon each. Chaat masala 1.5 tablespoon. Tandoori masala 2 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Red food color, optional. Salt to taste. Clarified butter, ghee, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Done. Add chicken 1 kilogram. Mix very well. Cover and rest for 2 hours at least. After 2 hours, mix again. Chicken put in the wooden skewer. Oil for fry. Spread the oil. Add chicken. Fry 10 minutes both sides on medium-high heat. Flip. Done. Oil 4 tablespoons. Butter 2 teaspoons. Ginger paste 1 teaspoon. Garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Sauté 2 minutes. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Fry few seconds. Chopped tomato 3 medium. Roasted cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Cook 2 minutes. Add leftover marination. Cover and cook 5 minutes. Stir. Add fried chicken. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir. Coriander leaf. Green chili. Sliced ginger. Stir and mix. Looks very good. Ready to serve. Garnish with coriander leaf, green chili, and sliced ginger. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.